Plaque is that sticky, unwanted film of bacteria that loves to set up camp on your teeth. Think of your mouth as a cozy neighborhood. Plaque moves in first, and if you don't evict it quickly, it upgrades itself into a rock-hard fortress called tartar. Yeah, only a dental professional can break it down. But here's the good news. You have plenty of home strategies that help stop plaque in its tracks before it becomes tartar. In today's video, we're diving into 9 powerful, natural ways to make plaque and tartar tremble. So stick around. Your smile will thank you. 1. Orange peels. That leftover orange peel isn't just compost material. It's actually a natural oral hygiene tool. Gently scrape off the white pith and rub the fragrant zest on your teeth and gums for a couple of minutes. The natural oils help loosen plaque while leaving your mouth feeling fresh and citrusy. Just remember, this is a supplement to your normal brushing and flossing, not a replacement. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes might look innocent, but their natural acidity helps weaken plaque, making it easier to brush away. They're full of vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants like lycopene, all of which support strong gums and reduce inflammation, a major cause of gum disease. Enjoy them fresh in salads, blended in sauces, or as a snack. Just watch out for sugary tomato products like ketchup. 3. Baking soda and salt. This classic duo works wonders. Mix baking soda and salt into a paste for a powerful DIY cleaner. Baking soda neutralizes acids and reduces bacteria, while salt gently disinfects and soothes irritated gums. Use this remedy only 4 to 5 times a month. Overdoing it can wear down enamel. A little goes a long way. If you're loving this video so far, hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss our future tips. 4. Lemon juice. Lemon's citric acid is an antibacterial powerhouse that boosts saliva flow, your mouth's natural cleaning system. But because lemon is acidic, you need to dilute it with water before use. Swish for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse with plain water to protect your enamel. Done correctly, it helps combat plaque and keeps your breath fresh. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a superstar in the world of natural oral care. Its lauric acid kills harmful bacteria that cause plaque and inflammation. Try oil pulling. Swish a spoonful of cold, pressed coconut oil for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Do it while showering, reading, or getting ready. Over time, you'll notice fresher breath, cleaner teeth, and healthier gums. Remember, this is an add-on to brushing and flossing, not a substitute. 6. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds act like tiny natural scrubbers for your teeth. Chew on a small handful for a few minutes, don't swallow. As you chew, the seeds scrub away plaque. Afterward, spit them out and brush your teeth with a dry toothbrush to clean off the residue. It's like having a mini exfoliating session inside your mouth. 7. Cloves and olive oil. Cloves aren't just a kitchen spice. They're antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and great for freshening breath. Crush a few cloves and mix with olive oil to form a paste. Apply this mixture to your gums and teeth. The cloves fight bacteria, while the olive oil gently breaks down plaque buildup. 8. Aloe vera gel and lemon essential oil. Aloe vera is famous for healing, soothing, and reducing inflammation. Combine aloe vera gel with a couple of drops of lemon essential oil. Massage it onto your teeth and gums. This duo works together to calm irritation, fight bacteria, and dissolve plaque and tartar. With regular use, it promotes fresh breath, healthier gums, and a cleaner mouth overall. 9. Sanguinaria, bloodroot. Extract. Sanguinaria extract, made from the bloodroot plant, has been used for centuries, and modern research supports its antibacterial power. It helps break down plaque biofilm and prevents it from forming again. You'll find sanguinaria in natural toothpastes, mouthwashes, and dental gels. Just use it like any other oral care product and let it work behind the scenes. My final thoughts. Keeping plaque and tartar under control is totally doable. Here's your winning formula. Brush twice daily, floss every day. Use an antimicrobial mouthwash, schedule dental cleanings twice a year. Maintain a diet low in sugars and acidic foods. Add these natural remedies for extra protection. Do this consistently, and you'll enjoy a bright, healthy, confident smile all year round. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.